Or do you want on the
I
left?
probably won't even fish.
Okay.
Because I just got shoulder surgery.
10-4.
But I might try it on though. I don't know.
All right.
I don't want to hurt myself.
Yeah, we're gonna throw them how I got them for now, and if it don't work, I'll switch to the handle side.
Just cast them right out there, huh?
Yep. I'm gonna keep chumming. Just hang on.
I'll fish.
When these things do hit, they kind of take off. So, bam. Got them. Real quick.
Can I just
like
fish
that.
from here?
Yeah, if you want to.
No shot.
You got something?
What is down here?
Cast first fish. You don't even have the GoPro on.
No, I got it on.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Pompano?
So those are what we call jacks. Jack crevalle. Oh my God. Abundant and strong as hell.
Tyler, you want me to?
We'll play with these and then we'll go for trout. And I didn't catch your name. What's your name?
I'm Ava.
Ava. All right,
Toss her back.
Nice to meet you.
Do you know how to cast?
I'm
Yeah,
not
she's
good at
no,
it.
she's good. She's good.
Probably better than me. I just flung it off.
I'm gonna put my phone in your
All right,
pocket.
so I'm gonna put you right here.
Me?
Yeah, you can get in the back corner. And then try your best not to hang them up because they're long and they swim in big circles. And hang on because you're about to catch one.
Yeah, Ava, hang on to that
If
thing.
that feels right, no, I'll change those.
It's okay for right now, but I'll probably.
All right, go.
Yeah, I definitely will have you swifter.
Jacks are a good time. Push on the fly rod.
How often do people break your pole?
Don't say that.
Talked about it. Somebody here's gonna break one.
I've never broken.
So I went through 32 last year.
I just am curious.
There's probably 2 dozen of mine sitting down here because jacks pull hard and they're not matching. It drives me nuts to not have matching rods, but people are very rough on the stuff. Get 'em. Try your best to put your rod.
Yeah, keep the rod tip up.
There you go. Yeah. If you can. At the end of the day, I mean, do whatever you want to do, but
I feel like that's a little.
and then just don't catch the motor. One on the front or the back.
Okay.
That's a 10-minute timeout.
Oh my gosh! Wow, these things are strong.
Keep the rod tip up, Ava.
I'm trying.
I know.
And if you notice like your bait's not like, super frisky, swap it out.
Alright.
These things definitely want to chase. So if he's not,
I just am I don't want to like break anything.
it's all good.
I feel
I
like
don't
I'm-
care. My spicy Italian wife cares, but she can deal with it. It's part of the game.
It's funny.
It's all part of the game. As long as it's not that new Suzuki or the trolling motor on the front, I don't think so. All right, fire away.
Maybe if I go over here.
Anywhere you see a big old blow up, you hit the top of the water everywhere. Anywhere you see that. Right there, put it on his face.
Oh man. What's up with
I
that?
felt something that I didn't.
So jacks never stop swimming. They're always going like 30 miles an hour, and they just swipe at it. So sometimes they just knock it off. So I know it's hard to do. You're good. All good. First rod tip is safe. smacked up.
Yeah, you did.
So I like to hook them so their pectoral fin is right there.
Right.
Put the hook, like the
Right
tip,
above it.
like,
or right
like just
behind
find
it.
like the armpit, and you'll
Okay.
feel it just slide right through like a natural hole.
Yeah. Okay, I was kind of struggling getting them in there.
When fish shallow later, we'll do nose, but I like the belly. Keeps them down and lifts a little more into your cast too without throwing your shiner off.
There we go.
You on again? Ah! Oh, no. Did your bait come? Oh, so there. Just lift at it.
Come on, man.
If you don't get bit in like 2 seconds, reel it in, I'm gonna give you a new one. I'm gonna see if they want the nose hook. They're just swiping at it, missing it. But you already got one. They want to hit the surface. Uh-oh.
I'm not very good.
How'd that first one feel? Yeah. I've noticed with saltwater, they got a lot more ass behind them, you know? I'm telling you.
I have like a hard time casting at that age, like at this age. I don't know why. I like to do it fine over there.
Max, you gotta get something today, dude. I know.
Try to keep pulling them left. There you go.
Ava's kicking my ass.
You bring a girl on the boat or a kid.
Yep, every
game
time,
over.
every time.
Yeah, like in the middle of summer, juvenile tarpon get stacked in here, man.
Yeah?
Like by the thousands.
I haven't caught
Like
one.
30 guide boats in here, just this little jump on a tarpon jumping everywhere.
I think Matthew would be able to fish.
No, these guys are a little tough.
Because you need to use like both your arms. You know?
You could probably reel with your bad arm, though, is what I'm saying. Yo, where'd this guy go?
Some days when I come in here, they're like this size, and then some days they're like 10 pounders.
Yeah.
The 10-pound jack is an absolute animal.
He just circles.
Yeah.
There he
It's
is.
just like a tuna, man. Big old death circle.
Whoop.
Hit twice by a catfish, both times like
Sucks.
and unusable for months.
Yeah. They're right there, Ari.
We'll get fling one in the boat one time, all excited, and it hit me
Yeah.
right in the top of my knuckle. Dude.
This is in between.
Oh.
Alright, I'll just watch forever.
All right.
I don't want to.
Whatever you want to do.
So you just get them right through the side?
Yes, I'll show you. Last thing's coming. I know it's coming correct. We'll take the barb of the hook. The pectoral fin, like go towards where the armpit is, right?
Alright.
And then still like go right through a hole. Alright, sweet. Keeps them alive and all that shit. So, alright. Yeah, every like 1 or 2 casts, just get a freshie, man. I want it to be extra lively. Especially while they're frothing back here.
Dude, fall off again.
These guys got some ass behind them, dude. They're fun.
Really?
Yeah. Dude, you could totally reel with one hand. Use your.
Which rod is
Two
that?
hands.
I would need to reel on this side.
You have to reel on this side.
Yeah, this side.
Yeah, you'll be good. Grab it, dude. Or Ava's is already in there.
No, I need the rod on the left.
Oh, yeah.
Just be careful, Max. Don't let go or anything. You don't want to lose
You
that.
cast, you want me to cast it?
You can cast that.
Wait, which arm is it?
That's my left.
Yeah, it's
Don't
on
reel,
it.
just leave it still. There you go. Yeah, they're gonna hit like a rocket, so it won't be much guesswork about it if he hits it.
Don't do it towards the engine either.
Okay.
You're on, reel, fast.
You gotta tighten that drag.
Do it, Max? Does it hurt?
I got that TV drag on there.
Yeah. Yo, you got it, bro.
Oh, the snook back there. Sure.
Are you good, Max?
Oh, yeah? I'm reeling this in.
Max can reel better than I can, and
Dude, he's reeling like a champ.
I have two.
Yo.
Oh, shit. Oh, you. Dang. You have one on here too, we split it.
What is going on?
Give me that, go get that rod. Toss it. Take your tail.
Oh. Yeah. I wish they taste good. Cause
They
don't? Nah.
Here in the mornings.
There you go.
I like the way you were horsing them in, Max.
Why am I not supposed to do that?
Nah, it's just funny.
Show him who's the boss.
Well, it's easier because then you reel in on the way down, don't you?
Yeah. As long as you're matching what you're doing with like the line, this is only a 6-pound test.
Yeah.
But it feels like something like super like edible, it's like a little more coaching involved. But with this, it's just like, man.
You kept my bait.
Tyler needs coaching.
What do you mean?
Shot fired.
That's like,
Every time he reels it in, it like flies everywhere.
I feel like I've seen like 5 people wear it.
What?
The shoes.
They're comfy, dude.
Yeah, that's what I'm calling.
They're so comfortable.
Yeah, just like straight necessity, man. My ass falls off this boat all the time, stepping on shiners and going for a ride. What do you got? Oh no!
Ah, damn it, dude.
Catfished. I gave you a catfish. Oh my god.
I hate those bastards.
Main reason why I use that stupid thing, man. Yeah, they suck. God. I get some people that like just tell the one to catch those. I'm like, alright.
You don't miss lines.
Ew, that is
You're showing me.
No shot. What's going on with this?
She's so passive aggressive, dude. She like likes me, but she doesn't.
How many birds have ever taken a hook with them?
Boat record's 15.
That'd piss me off. We don't have that problem.
Well, it's tough because like the chum, you know, they get in the way, but you know, the fish hear that. So I mean, fish hear that, they get excited, and once they all start competing for the same food source, that's what you want. But it's a bitch sometimes, especially when you're snook fishing like a foot of water. I mean, the bait fish have nowhere to go. Let's find something else to catch. Ooh. Some trouts.
Something's giving me the business. Oh, sure is.
The right species. I don't know if it'll be the right size.
Not the right size.
How big they need to be?
So they gotta be 15. Between 15 and 19.
To keep?
Hold this.
Wait, hold on. Hold it. Are you kidding?
No, the rod.
Oh.
Nope.
Oh,
Nah, he's close. Nah.
Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, at least you caught something.
Of course, it was Ava. Oh, those suckers are slimy.
No, they're, like I said, they're pretty wimpy. Every now and then you'll get a bigger one, and we'll give you a little more, but so, I know it's opposite handed, but close the bail on that and start reeling. Something just picked it up.
I'm sorry, buddy.
He's off. Hey.
You do those like Zen things too?
On airplanes.
Yeah.
Where do I hook him?
First off, we got your lively one.
Oh.
There's your lively one right there.
I didn't like that joke. I'm just kidding.
Fucking New York. I usually charge them extra.
Our county was like crazy red.
Yeah. For us, it's big. Like you go to like Louisiana, like they got stupid trout. Like we would have had 50 by now. They have like nice grass, like oyster beds, and all the perfect habitat for them.
Oh, he's still kicking. Yeah, he flew off.
Come on, see popper bait. I had a guy taught me to take one a couple charters ago. He's like, oh, there's a trout right there. Oh, kind of boil this, those bubbles.
Yeah.
That bird just went. I've never been so tore up in my life.
What?
On that pouch? Oh my
Yeah.
God, you know, spinning.
I'm telling you.
I would have never done that while like, driving the boat. I'm like, oh, it's tobacco, whatever, man. So I never dipped or anything.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I just like it. I don't know. He's got some.
That's something.
He's got a little bit of ass behind him.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Might make the cut.
I could, oh yeah, all day.
There's a taco, oh boy.
Yay.
Not split 4 ways yet, but it's a start.
Oh, well, I lost my fish. Or not my fish, I lost my bait.
Toss them in there and close the lid. I'll get some ice.
Dude, that fish is going crazy.
The upholstery's all torn up from the storm, so be careful that the screws in the backrest are poking out. But if you want to go big, go ahead. One. Uh-oh, what you got? What you got? You got Moby Dick?
Yeah, he does. Nah, he tiny. Maybe. Close, maybe. Dude, those.
If you want to take them off, you can. If you want me to, just holler.
They're
pretty chill.
They're slimy though.
They got like 2 fangs, but they have like no bite power, so.
feel so bad.
You got it right. You have it wired from up here?
Yeah.
15? Yeah, I usually drive up there. But the tower got all beat up in the storm, and I'm too busy to fix it. And you really like driving up here? Oh, it's dope, man. You can see everything. Like on a calm day, with like some glasses, you see snook and stuff like 100 yards away. Oh, that's sweet. It helps like to obviously see fish, or if I want to go pout. Like if I'm not catching shit, I can go up there and pout. Nobody can see me.
And I went on a shark charter out of Cape Cod once. The tuna tower was like, it was scary. Like you're rocking back and forth.
You definitely feel more. Like I have a tall tower, so I'm getting ready to like re-weld it and drop it down. Yeah, those big ones get moving.
Those ones are more slimy.
Oh yeah, dude. That's what the shirt's for.
Wow, you probably see really good up here with your stuff, man.
Probably.
Your sunglasses are the ugliest.
You been to that fisherman's hut in town in Bradenton?
Dude, best.
He's got stuff I've never seen before.
Oh, so you went, I was gonna say Hoarder's Paradise, man.
Hoarder's
like,
Paradise?
Because dude, like, got everything, man. And so we're going through that cut real slow. That's the yacht club.
Yeah.
He's like a big shot for the yacht club. Like he doesn't
Yeah.
do it for money.
Oh.
And he's just like it's a hobby, man. He's as left as they come, but like he's still a good guy.
Yeah.
But like I get all my rods and bulk and like reels from him, and he beats my sponsor price by like 30-40 bucks per reel.
Who's your sponsor?
Big ass Ben.
Ben? I
Not
got.
like sponsoring a fucking special, but like
Right.
I work with them.
Right.
So I do mostly like spin fishers and slammers,
Yeah.
and then my stuff's just been taking a beating, honestly. So I gotta feel like those quantums because I used to work with them. But
No, this is smooth.
it's smooth, but like they don't
Yeah.
have like they won't last a season.
Yeah.
And I can get I feel like a season out of.
I've got the Pursuit 3 or something by Penn. I love that thing.
Yeah. Penn just take more of a beating. They're a little heavier, but
Then that Gator Jim's place.
Gator Jim's pretty cool too. Sometimes I can find better deals there. I mean, he has more like high-end stuff.
Well, I like it because you can get used stuff,
Yeah.
which I only come down here once a year, so unfortunately.
We got old Dick and Harry here.
Yep.
I cannot stand being bothered. I don't know how some people use these things.
That was an Ava cast. How you hooking them? Go through right through the eyeball.
Ew, I can't do that.
Alright.
Cast on this patch for like 2 more minutes, and then we're gonna jog down.
Grumpy old man.
Rolling on through.
If you want, you can put it right to the eyeball too.
Really?
It's a lot easier. I don't know, I've been doing that.
Oh, no,
What?
I'm gonna put the phone.
Oh, we're done?
Just for like, I just feel like I'm
Dude, he comes off, man. That felt like a good one too.
We'll usually give you a second chance.
That feels decent.
I don't know if they're 14, we'll keep them. Oh, he's good.
Oh, yeah, he's big boy.
Nice work.
That one will be mine.
Nice one. Nice work.
Want to see me measure it? I'll show you quick. I mean, he's definitely
That
big.
first falls off, better hang on.
I think that fish is bigger than Max's leg.
Let's watch that rod.
That's a keeper for sure, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. They want to see me measure it.
Wow. Look at that.
Are these edible?
Yeah, they're pretty good. It's our bait. Thanks, sir. Oh, the charter captains, you guys all pretty cool with each other?
Yeah, that's my homie over there next to us. He's a big YouTuber.
Oh, yeah?
Salty, fishing with Salty. We do some fun stuff on
Yo.
our days off.
That rings a bell. Like real big or real big YouTuber? Or?
I mean, not big. I mean, if you ask him, he is. He's got like 15,000 like followers, but he's like good at getting sponsorships. I mean, all his stuff is like paid for.
That rings a bell though.
He does a bunch of stuff. We go way out in his boat because his boat holds a lot more gas.
Yeah.
It's heavier too. It drives nicer.
That one feels good too. Oh yeah. It's a very nice trout. That's bigger.
So my favorite stuff is any shellfish. Like I've eaten so much shellfish, like my cholesterol is like that of like a 300-pound obese man. My cholesterol's through the roof.
I don't really eat much seafood, honestly. I tell you if I live down here.
Ooh, son!
Slimy bastard. Dude, you can't grin.
Yeah, like the serving size for like shrimp is like 3 shrimp. Yeah. Just fight it the right way.
That's a keeper.
Ooh, nice. Oh.
Last one I caught, Ava.
Which one was the last one? The one on the top?
That's a slab right there.
They look
Nice one.
so sad.
They're having a rough day. Either us
You
or
having a
Pomerantz.
laugh?
Yo, what?
What? I'm talking to the
No.
fish.
What do you mean? They're gonna taste delicious.
I said they're having their last.
He got hit.
That's what I said. They are having their last.
Yeah, but they're honored to be eaten by us.
Not Max.
No? No seafood for that?
You should charge extra.
Yeah, I usually do. You know, if they're like full, like saltwater ruins everything, right? I turn out at one point, I still kids just dumping the reel in the water, playing. I'm like, buddy, what you doing? He's like, it's okay, it's not mine.
Hey, at least he's honest.
I mean, he was.
He was honest.
Pretty
No.
cute kid. He was also 4, so I'm not going to be mad at him.
Well, that's what Tyler says to about the rental car. It's not his.
Yeah, that's different. And they charge you out the ass when you're under 25.
You want no more?
No, you look tiny. You look tiny.
Yeah, I was wondering why you threw that one out too.
Sorry.
I thought it was the right size.
Definitely 15 1/4. There you go.
Yeah, he feels nice. Oh, that one's got to be there, right?
See, I feel
Another
like
one was definitely there.
that
He's
one
like
is
14 and a
smaller
quarter, we'll
than
keep
the
him.
Yeah.
That one is smaller than the other one you just threw out. I hate how
Go
they...
measure him.
Alright, fine.
Just grab him like he's like.
Don't drop your fish. Talk with.
Oh, no way.
Saw that happening.
No way.
I'm sorry.
I thought I had him.
Let's slurp it just like that one.
How much fish do you buy?
Oh, I don't buy it. I catch it. Oh, this bait is $25 a scoop, and that's a scoop right there. So between what we use for bait and how much I throw in the water,
What do you use to catch it?
hey, I cast net. There's net in the back of the boat. We can't.
Dude.
Catch it fresh every day. There's even more. I had a trip this morning, so bait's usually the easiest part of the day. Sometimes you catch a bunch of bait and don't catch diddly, but I never know.
They'll slurp it up and just.
Yeah, I mean,
Can I stand on
this?
this?
Cold. Yeah. You're kind of lazy. Like typically, Snook will smash it and not let go. There you go.
That's it. That's one. It's a decent snook.
That's big.
You can. It's our most protected fish. They're not open right now, but they are very good.
Barely hooked.
Oh, so these we can't
No, this is just for fawning with pictures.
picture. That was
It's all snook. They have that like
I mean,
I got it.
go back to call them soapfish because he's cooking with the skin on. It feels like a farm. At least those trash fish, and these like prisoners eat them. And I guess at some point somebody's skin to want to realize like why don't you skin it? Skin on.
Yourself?
Nasty. Stop her, baby. Come on. I want to touch that boat. Nice and low.
It's a little close.
It's alright. Quick flip.
Nice one.
Nice shot, dude.
How do you reel up there quick?
I don't know. Yeah, you do what you had to do. Yeah, just slide your hand in like the gill side, like up the gill,
Yeah.
but just miss all the red stuff.
Okay.
And you can just hold them like that.
Wait, those two birds are fighting.
Yeah, I got
Just follow my hand. Don't go in the red though. Go on the outside and up. There you go. You'll feel it like lock into place.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Hold on.
Hold up.
What is? Oh yeah.
It's a snook. That's sweet. Thank you, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
You ain't kidding.
Makes up for the last spot.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.